Hey there, science fans. Today we're diving into the amazing world of the periodic table and exploring the wonders of metals. The periodic table is like a giant map of all the known elements in the universe. Elements are the basic building blocks of everything around us. That's what the periodic table does. It's arranged in rows called periods and columns called groups. Elements in the same group share similar characteristics. This predictable pattern helps scientists understand how elements behave and even predict the properties of undiscovered elements. Let's talk about trends. No, not the latest fashion, but trends in the periodic table. These trends help us understand how the properties of elements change as we move across or down the table. First up, atomic size. Imagine an atom like a tiny ball. As we move down a group, the atomic size increases. Why? Because elements gain more layers of electrons, like adding layers to a cake, making the atom bigger. Next, electronegativity. Think of it as an atom's desire to hog electrons. As we move across a period, electronegativity increases. Finally, ionization energy. As we move across a period, ionization energy increases. Now let's meet the stars of the show, metals. They occupy a large portion of the periodic table, mostly on the left side and in the center. Metals are like the superheroes of the element world, with their amazing properties. First, we have the alkali metals found in Group 1. They're super reactive, like that friend who's always ready for an adventure. They only have one electron in their outer shell, so they're eager to give it away to form bonds. Next, the alkaline earth metals in Group 2. They're a bit less reactive than alkali metals, but still quite eager to bond. And then, the mighty transition metals located in the center of the periodic table. Section 4, metal properties: luster, malleability, ductility, and conductivity. Metals have some pretty awesome properties that make them unique and incredibly useful. Let's break it down. Luster. Ever noticed how metals are shiny? That's their luster. Malleability. Metals are like Play-Doh of the element world. Malleability means they can be hammered or pressed into different shapes without breaking. Ductility. Similar to malleability, ductility means metals can be drawn into thin wires. Conductivity. Metals are excellent conductors of heat and electricity. That's why we use copper wires in our electronics. Section 5, reactivity of metals, trends and patterns. Remember those periodic trends we talked about? They play a big role in how reactive metals are. Reactivity refers to how easily a metal loses its electrons to form bonds with other elements. As we move down a group, the reactivity of metals increases. This is because the outermost electron is farther away from the nucleus and easier to remove. Conversely, as we move across a period, the reactivity of metals decreases. The reactivity of metals is crucial in determining their uses. For example, highly reactive metals like lithium are used in batteries, while less reactive metals like gold are used in jewelry. Section 6, metals in our lives, from bridges to batteries. Metals are everywhere. They're essential for countless everyday objects and technologies. Let's explore some examples. Construction. Steel, an alloy of iron and carbon, is a staple in construction due to its strength and durability. It's used in bridges, buildings, and infrastructure. Transportation. Aluminum, known for its lightweight and corrosion resistance, is widely used in airplanes, cars, and bicycles. Electronics. Copper is an excellent conductor of electricity, making it ideal for electrical wiring, circuitry, and components in our phones, computers, and appliances. Medicine. Titanium, a strong and biocompatible metal, is used in medical implants such as hip replacements and dental implants. Energy. Lithium-ion batteries power our smartphones, laptops, and even electric vehicles. Section 7, conclusion, periodicity, the key to unlocking metal magic. So there you have it, an exploration of the amazing world of metals. We've learned that the periodic table is like a map that guides us through the elements, revealing their properties and trends. Periodicity, the repeating patterns in the periodic table, helps us understand why metals behave the way they do. From their shiny luster to their ability to conduct electricity, metals possess a unique set of properties that make them essential for countless applications. From the bridges we cross to the devices we hold in our hands, metals play a vital role in our lives. So next time you encounter a metal object, take a moment to appreciate the wonders of chemistry and the power of periodicity.